Right, I'm going to be using a chemical called Red 7. It's made by Autosmart. It's a wheel cleaner and fallout remover. So your directions are basically spray on neat, allow product to dwell or until product turns red. Then basically agitate if required and then hose it off. So I've got it in a bottle here. I'm going to put it on these wheels, which are incredibly dirty from buildup of brake dust and just a general driving over a couple of weeks. It's been raining on and off, so not uncommon for the wheel to look like this after only a few weeks. Right, so there's a lot of purple coming off there. Now that's the chemical reacting with the iron component of the brake pads and the rotor wear and all that sort of thing. So that's not uncommon at all, and you can see that it's getting a lot of that out. So we'll let that sit there for a few minutes. Not too long because I am in the sun here, so you don't want it to dry on there. But yeah, let it sit for a few minutes, let it dwell, and then I'll pressure clean it off.